we're going to explore how to get started with a platform called TradeZero. It's an online brokerage service that gives you access to stocks, options, forex, and even cryptocurrencies. The best part is, it offers commission-free trading, so you can trade without worrying about those extra fees. Whether you're just getting started or you've got some experience, this platform provides all the tools and resources you'll need to succeed. Let me walk you through the entire process, from registering on the site to setting up your account and everything in between. The first step is to visit the TradeZero website. You can easily find it with a quick Google search. Once you're there, you'll notice different options for various regions, such as TradeZero International and TradeZero US. Depending on where you're based, select the link that matches your location, and it will direct you to the correct platform for your area. After selecting the appropriate region, you'll be taken to a landing page that showcases the features and services available for that particular region. It's important to ensure you're on the right regional version of the site, as offerings, fees, and available tools can differ. You'll be able to explore the full range of services TradeZero provides, such as real-time trading tools, commission-free trading options, and more. This step is crucial because it ensures you're accessing the best resources suited for your location and needs. You'll then be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your full name, email address, and a secure password. It's essential to pick a strong password to keep your account safe, so make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click the Submit button to move on. After you submit your information, TradeZero will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Be sure to check your inbox for this email. It may take a few minutes to arrive. Once the email hits your inbox, open it up and click the verification link to confirm your email address. This step is important because it ensures the platform has a valid way of reaching you and is necessary for activating your demo account. You'll be directed to a page where you'll need to enter some additional information to finalize your registration and begin trading. You'll be asked to provide basic personal information like your full name, email address, and to create a password. Once again, ensure that the password is secure, as it will be your key to accessing your trading account. Next, you'll choose the type of account you wish to open. You'll be given options for either an international account or a domestic account, depending on your location, US, Canada, or elsewhere. Make sure you pick the option that applies to your residency or nationality to comply with local regulations. After completing these sections, the next step is essential for setting up your trading account and ensuring everything is in line with regulatory requirements. Here, you'll be asked to provide more specific details about your identity and location to help with compliance and to verify your identity properly. First, you'll need to fill out your address information. This includes your full street address, city, postal code, and country. Double-check this information for accuracy, as any errors could delay the account approval process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. This is important because, in case there's any need for verification or contact regarding your account, they'll reach you through the number you provide. Make sure it's up to date and accessible. In addition to the required fields, there's also optional information you can provide. For example, you might be asked whether you'd like to enable margin trading. Margin trading can be useful for some traders, but it comes with higher risk, so if you're unsure about it, you can always skip this section. Accurate and truthful information is key during this step, as it will be verified. If there's a discrepancy or something appears off, it could result in delays or even the rejection of your account, which could prevent you from starting your trading journey right away. Take your time to fill in all these details correctly, Now we move on to a step that can feel a bit tedious but is necessary for account verification. TradeZero will require you to upload specific documents to confirm your identity and comply with regulations. This ensures they know exactly who they're working with and helps prevent any fraudulent activities. First, you'll need to upload a clear photo of an official ID or passport. This allows them to match your name to a legitimate identity. In addition, you'll be asked to provide proof of address. This can be something like a recent utility bill, bank statement, or even an official government document that shows your current address. Besides these standard requirements, TradeZero may request a few more supporting documents to complete your verification process. Be sure to scan and upload everything clearly so it's legible. Poor quality or blurry images might cause delays. Finally, you'll be asked to complete an identity verification step using a selfie or through a video call. This extra layer helps confirm that the documents you've uploaded match you in real time, providing an additional security check. Once your identity has been verified, you'll proceed to the payment section, which is crucial for funding your trading account. This is where you'll input your payment details, enabling you to deposit money into your account and start trading. Common methods include bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and sometimes even services like PayPal or wire transfers. When you choose bank transfer, you may need to provide additional information such as your bank account number and routing code. For credit card payments, you'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your details, you'll often be prompted to verify the payment method, especially if you're using a card. Once that's done, you should be all set to deposit funds into your trading account. The process is quick, and you'll be ready to start trading once your payment is confirmed. Also, be sure to double-check that you're using a secure and reliable payment method, as this helps ensure smooth transactions and prevents potential issues with your deposits. Now, while setting up an account is easy, you also want to know what makes TradeZero a great choice, right? Whether you're into stocks, options, or Forex, you'll find all the tools you need to trade like a pro. 24/7 customer support. They offer support around the clock, which is a huge plus if you run into any issues. Educational resources. If you're new to trading, they've got tutorials and free training to help you get started. These features combine to provide a well-rounded and user-friendly experience, making TradeZero a solid choice for both new and experienced traders. When you first log in, you're going to see a whole bunch of tools at your fingertips, all designed to help you trade more efficiently. Everything you need is just a click away, and it's all accessible directly from the main menu. You'll have options like portfolio, market depth, pro charts, watch lists, short locates, and a whole lot more. All of this puts you in control, giving you everything you need to monitor the market, manage your trades, and really fine-tune your trading strategy. Let's break down some of the features that you're going to use on a daily basis. First up, we have the charts. If you're familiar with trading, you know how important it is to monitor stock movements. In Zeropro, you can easily bring up any stock chart by typing in the symbol directly into the Level 2 or Charts window. And what's cool is, you can fully customize your chart to fit your preferences. Want to add technical indicators? No problem. You can draw lines, change colors, or adjust the layout so that it's exactly the way you want. Whether you want to see daily trends, hourly movements, or custom time frames, the chart will automatically update when you choose your preferred view. Next, let's talk about hotkeys. Hotkeys are an awesome feature because they let you execute trading commands with just a keystroke. This is especially useful when you're in the middle of active trading and need to place an order quickly. To set up hotkeys, just navigate to the top bar and click on Hotkeys. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to assign commands to shortcuts, like setting quantity, order type, and more. Once you've got everything set up, you can execute trades with speed and precision, all thanks to your custom shortcuts. This really helps when you're in the heat of the moment, and timing is crucial. Another feature you'll use often is the top list. This tool shows you the biggest market movers for the day, letting you track the top performing stocks by percentage or dollar value, whichever you prefer. The list will update in real time, so you can always see the latest market action. Want to filter the stocks by volume or price change? You can do that too. It's fully customizable, so you can tweak the settings to show only the stocks that match your criteria. This helps you keep a close eye on the most active stocks and take advantage of market opportunities. Once you place the order, it'll appear in your portfolio window, clearly showing both your stop loss and take profit levels. This makes it easier to manage your risk and lock in profits as the market moves in your favor. For short trades, it works in reverse. The stop loss will be set higher, and the take profit will be set lower. You can even drag and drop these limits directly on the chart itself. Simply place them where you want, and they'll automatically update in real time. Speaking of short selling, Zeropro makes it super easy to see which stocks are available to short. In the platform, stocks that are easy to borrow are highlighted in green. If a stock isn't easy to borrow, you'll see the price per share for that stock, which will update in real time. If you want to borrow shares for a short trade, just click the Locate button, enter the number of shares you want, and the system will handle the rest. Once the locate is processed, you'll be able to open your short trade. If you no longer need the shares you borrowed, you can mark them for credit so that another trader can use them. And if they're reallocated, you'll even get a portion of the locate fee credited back to your account. For real-time news updates, Squawk is your go-to tool. This is an audio news service that broadcasts live from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It's specifically designed for traders, so it's packed with market-moving news that can affect your trades. Whether it's an earnings report or a significant shift in the market, Squawk delivers the latest updates directly to your ears, so you're always in the loop. Now let's dive into trailing stops. A trailing stop is a type of stop-loss order that automatically adjusts based on the movement of your position. This feature follows the price of your stock, increasing your stop-loss if the stock moves in your favor, but keeping it locked in place if the stock moves against you. Let's dive into an example to make things clearer. Imagine you're trading a cryptocurrency and want to use a trailing stop to protect your investment. As the crypto price increases, your trailing stop will adjust upwards, securing more profits as the price rises. However, if the price starts to decline, the trailing stop will remain at its last position, acting as a safety net to limit your losses. To set up a trailing stop, you simply choose the Trailing Stop option from the order menu, specify the percentage or dollar amount you're willing to risk, and place your order. The system will then track the asset's movements and automatically adjust the stop loss accordingly. For short trades, the trailing stop operates in reverse. If the price goes up, your stop will stay in place, but if it goes down, the stop loss will follow, offering protection as the asset's value decreases. This tool can be applied not only to sell orders but also to entry orders. It's an excellent way to manage risk without constantly monitoring your positions, allowing you to set it and focus on executing your strategy with less worry. Using trailing stops effectively can enhance your trading approach by adding an element of automation and minimizing emotional decision-making during price fluctuations. One of the great things about trailing stops is that you can switch between percentage or dollar amounts for your trail. If you're more comfortable using percentages, you can set a percentage trail distance. Or if you prefer dollar amounts, you can do that too. This gives you full control over your risk management strategy and allows you to fine-tune how you manage your trades.